During Skynet Summer Developers Program, we built an NFT application which we call Pinsave. This NFT application has a focus of decentralizing image sharing, social media such as Pinterest. Pinsave is also a decentralized image sharing and content aggregation platform where users can not only control the content but also the platform itself. The inspiration for the project is that currently monolithic web applications retain ownership of user content and stifle the adoption of decentralized technology. There is obviously a similar pattern with large companies in Web3 space. So for example, a user could use OpenSea to publish a content. However, the obstacles for the discovery of content is pretty significant. For example, only a very small fraction of collections get to the homepage. The content publishing process requires significant experience with a very unique technological stack. And feedback and engagement metrics related to content are reflected mostly in the price movement. So we actually see the solution in the Web3 space, where we see that it's a combination of decentralized governance and creator ownership of intellectual property, create new dynamics between content creators and form new, more meaningful communities. We think that the architecture creates new challenges and opportunities to introduce tools that will facilitate the creation of these communities. The proposed solution contains 4 key elements. To begin with, we propose the decentralized feed to reinforce discovery of content and valuable feedback. We also think that decentralized identity ERC 725 standards will provide anonymity and data protection. We obviously think that upgradable resilience and more open decentralized storage like Skynet would greatly benefit the project. And finally, we think that smart contracts could securely serve web experience directly to users. So here is the demo of our project. So this is the landing page. We can proceed to upload page to upload a new post, or we can view the uploaded posts. So first we connect the wallets. We have multiple options ranging from Coinbase, MetaMask to Wallet Connect. So in this case, we use MetaMask. So it may take time to query all the posts, which we will obviously optimize a bit later. So the posts are here. We have updated the interaction with the images, so now you can actually see more details of each post. And so here is the title, here is the description of image, and here is basically like the content that the creator of the post has left, I guess. So you can actually explore the address, but currently the link leads to, I think, Etherscan, and we would also like to implement more features on this page, which would provide a room for feedback. So currently we're also working on providing more networks which are compatible with EVM. So here is the example of another EVM compatible testnet. And we've actually used the infrastructure of Luxo testnets and their focus on identity to implement the creation of new ERC 725 profiles. So currently the interface is very basic, but you can essentially create the new contract identity on this page, and you could inspect the address to view the details of a certain address or identity, I guess. Creating new accounts. So you can see that we've actually created a new identity, which we can query the identity. And here are the values that the contract actually stores.